I just bought that. That is my new mini excavator. Got a lot of work to do out here at the farm and was planning on renting one of these. And then I saw this one on auction and did my research, set my max price, and got it. So it's a Yanmar ViO35, about an 8,000 pound machine, 11-foot digging depth, and it's mine. So ask me if I've ever driven one of these. I have not. I didn't even load it. They loaded it. So it is from a rental. It is an old rental. It's a 2013, but 2,500 hours, good condition. And so rented their trailer, they loaded it up, and here I am out at the farm. I'm gonna unload this, see if I can figure out how to use it and put it to work. I had sat on it and run it just a little bit before I bid on it, and that's about it. So let's do a walk around before I unchain it. See what we got. A little banged up. I guess not unexpected for the age, 2013, and it's a rental, so guys like me running it for the first time. It's a Yanmar. My little John Deere 750 is also a Yanmar, and it is a good little machine. So actually not too bad back here, not too banged up. So it's a 3-cylinder diesel. 1.6 liters, something like that. 24 horsepower. Not too banged up. Checked all the seals. Nothing visibly leaking, so it's a little greasy, but that's to be expected. 12-inch bucket. Wish that was a little wider, but I can get a new bucket. And a quick connect coupler, so that's nice. Plus auxiliary hydraulics. My plan is to put a thumb on it, so that's work yet to come. In the cab, pretty standard. That's the shift left and right. 2 handles, which I gotta figure out how to run it. So it looks like something was dropped on this screen. I don't know if the digicals behind that are damaged or if it's just the screen. Hopefully just the screen. And this is the decoupler. It's fired up right now while I'm sitting here. Let's see how we do this. Mind you, I have not run this on. Well, let's put it to start. Oh, I think I gotta put this down. So it does not want to start. What do I do? This has to be in the up position to start it. Oh, there it goes. Things are moving. Let's see what this bad boy does here. Oh, there we go. Pushes out and in. Left and right. Left is in on the bucket. Right out on the bucket. There we go. Let's get her unchained and get her off. Well, so far so good. I just got to learn how to use the thing. So, I'm gonna dig a hole. All right, so that is my first time ever running one of these things. It'll take some getting used to. Let's dig up some stumps. Let's see if I can get some of these stumps out. Well, that will take some getting used to. I've seen guys on YouTube dig out stumps. Andrew Camarata, really like his channel. He makes it look easy. But I'll get it. It's a learning curve. So I'll bring it back when I get those out. Well, that was a good learning experience. Get those 3 stumps out, 1 and then 2 together. Harder than I thought, but I'm learning the controls. Filled the hole in, it's pretty muddy. Machine's working pretty well. Has one little glitch. Sometimes when I turn and engage both tracks, the blade drops. So I don't know if that's a bad valve or something somewhere, but have to keep an eye on that. Let's see. All these trees need to come down, including that big one. I'm not going to tackle that big one today. But maybe I'll come in here and knock down a few trees, see how that goes. I'll put it away for today. Clean some trees up here. It can get stuck. Started sinking a bit there, so have to learn how to maneuver in those situations. Move these trees over here. Yeah, pretty pleased. So there it is. I got a lot of work to do. Clear this, prep it for a pole barn here eventually. Have a dam I need to dig out, drain pond and fix the dam, so I'll show some of that later. Well, there it is. And it fits in the shipping container. That's great. I didn't think it'd fit. So that's real nice. Be able to keep it dry and secure. All right, well, thanks for watching.